Children born after 2007 are predicted to be the worst generation of people that the earth has ever seen. The most unmotivated, the weakest, the least intelligent, and suffer from the most anxiety and the most depression of any other generation. What happened in 2007? Apple launched the iPhone. 2008, Android launched their smartphone. iPads and tablets were soon to follow. Now we have an entire generation of people that are hypnotized, staring, motionless. Depression is skyrocketing, anxiety is skyrocketing in these kids. They're not doing what kids were meant to do. They're not running outside and digging in the dirt or climbing trees. The parks are empty. The playgrounds are empty. And all the children are staring at the most addictive devices that the earth has ever seen. They're not forming real healthy relationships. They're not moving their bodies or exercising. They're slowly giving themselves diseases, depression, anxiety, worsening symptoms of ADHD. These kids are falling apart. They're out of touch with reality. And we are the ones that handed them the phone or the iPad or the tablet. We gave them these diseases. And it's time for us to do something about it.